Hello guys, how are you? Today I am going to show you how you can download Capcut for PC. You are using Capcut in mobile. Now you can also use Capcut in PC. So today I am going to show you how to download Capcut for PC and install it. Okay, just follow my step to do that. First you need to open your browser. You can choose any browser. I am going to open my Chrome browser. Then click here to search bar, then search here CapCut for PC. Then click here to enter. Then look, this is the first website, capcut.com. Click here. This is the website for downloading CapCut for PC. You can also download it for Mac, but I am going to download it for my Windows. Then click here to download for Windows. Look, it's downloading, but I am not going to download it because I already downloaded it. Let's cancel it. Look, this is my CapCut. So now I am going to show you how you can install it. Right click here, run as administrator, then click here yes, agree, more. You can choose any folder to browse it. I am going to put it this PC, then new volume E, then new folder. Click here to OK. You can browse it anywhere from your PC. Now click here to install. It's installing, wait few seconds. Just wait few seconds guys. It's installing 99%, wait few seconds. Okay, it's complete. Now click here to start now. It's a free software and it's a very good software for editing. It's testing my environment, wait few seconds. Your computer can run CapCut smoothly. Then click here to confirm. Okay, start creating. Okay, this application installation complete. Now I am going to see you how you can import and edit video. Click here to import. I am going to choose a picture. Desktop, I am going to choose this picture, open it, then drag this picture in your timeline. Okay, done. But I am dragging it to, let's delete one, delete this. Look guys, its interface is so much easier than any other application. You can use it easily. This app interface is very easy to use. I am going to put some effect in this picture, then click here to effect. Let's add this effect. It's look amazing. Let's put this. Okay, let's try some animation. I'm going to put this. Look, it's amazing. This application is better than Filmora. You can edit your video in it easily. So go and download this application for editing your video. Thanks for watching guys.